Hello, Future Millionaire. Today's video will mostly come from Brisbane because I have some business meetings here, plus I come here to visit my favorite locations. What you see here is the biggest car showroom in Australia. This is, I think, $300 million. I think about $300 million worth of investment into the facilities of Mercedes-Benz here in Australia. What we see here? Look at this. A $200,000 AMG. Cool car. Yeah. And anytime you have chance, if you come to Brisbane, you should visit this showroom. Not necessarily buying a car, but you're getting experience. Free drinks, free food, nice people. Of course, if you want to buy a car, they'll be more than welcome. I came here today to look at the possibility of ordering the EQS. Okay, let me put myself on the camera. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, I'm here because this is the only place I can buy the EQS from properly because they have a nice selection of cars. Also, I get a chance to talk to salespeople and everything. Now, back to Bitcoin Cash. I know that's the only reason you watch my channel, so I'm not gonna waffling around and talk about cars that most people are not interested in. Instead, let's talk about Bitcoin Cash. So, what is about Bitcoin Cash? What's really going on? And I made a speculative video yesterday about Elon Musk being in the market buying Bitcoin Cash. I do have certain evidence for it, but I don't want to share with you about it because I don't want any legal troubles, okay? You have to understand this is a public platform. I can only say things I can back up with black and white printable materials. Anything else is speculation. And anytime I have a speculative idea, I can share with you, but I must tell you also it's a speculative idea. I cannot prove to you 100%. So I leave it to your own imagination where I can find information about who is buying how much Bitcoin Cash right now in the market. But one thing's for certain, this is something even the newbies should understand is Bitcoin Cash is a big crypto, okay? We're talking about a almost $30 billion size crypto market. And it's a diverse market as well. It's an international, global, diverse market. For that market to go up like 50% in one day, that is not something can be done with a couple $1 million. Let me assure you that. If, for example, if I put $10 million into the Bitcoin Cash market, the market will just absorb it like nothing has happened. So for the price of Bitcoin Cash to go up that much in a single day, the only possibility for that to happen is somebody huge is entering it. We're talking about billionaires, okay? Billionaires, multi-billionaires, some multi-billion-dollar entities. It could be a person, it could be a trust fund, it could be a family office, it could be just Bill Gates getting a divorce settlement. I don't know. The thing is, right now, the strongest evidence I have seen so far in private is that Elon Musk is behind this, or Tesla. I cannot confirm any of those things, but those are the things I've seen with my private eyes. So I leave it to your imagination what is possible. But one thing certain, huge amount of money has already entered Bitcoin Cash, and none of the money is leaving anytime soon. Because you have to understand, when people allocate huge asset value to a certain new asset class, they take time to do the homework, like I did, and once they made that decision, what's happening now is called execution of a trading strategy or investment plan. When they do the execution, they have a plan, a strategy, but one thing that's not going to change is that they are going to execute that plan and strategy. That also means literally every single strategy I know of, none of that involves buy everything you have or everything you want in one day. None of the strategy ever look like that. Instead, majority of prudent strategy when it comes to timing is simple. The dollar cost averaging into the market. The only thing is this price went up so much, that means the actual real amount people are dollar cost averaging into the market right now is so big that even a small percentage of that money that just went into Bitcoin Cash already pushing the price up by 40-50% in a day. However, this is not unusual. Keep in mind, the very reason I myself decided to put all my money to Bitcoin Cash is because of the tiny size of the market compared to the rest of the crypto, particularly compared to BTC, the most direct competitor and counterparty of a BCH trade. And some people in the comment section already understood that you should look carefully at the ratios between BTC and BCH. So when you look at those things and understand what's really going on in the background, then you will see there's a fundamental shift going on right now from BTC going into BCH. It is very, very easy actually to convince a BTC holder to buy BCH. After all, they're equal scarcity, equal mining equipment, equal idea, only faster, cheaper, easier to use. It's almost like a free upgrade, and you get additional coins for the money that you have. Right now, you trade in your BTC, you get 40 coins out of it. No longer 70, but at least 40. 40 is better than 1, right? Because we can easily go to 1-to-1, easily. Like, I'm not bearish on BTC, don't get me wrong, people. BTC can go to $500,000 as well, easily. Might even go to $2 million, $3 million. Store value story, replacement of bond market, things like that. But BCH is the liquidity, cash. The cash market is huge. Think about that. The valuation between BTC and BCH should at least be 1-to-1, at least, if not more, in favor of BCH. So think carefully about that. That means whatever you're seeing in the market, you have not missed out at all. If you have any spare cash, you're thinking about buying BCH, what are you waiting for? Do you want to wait another 50% day, then another 50% day, then another 50% day, finally realizing that you're missing out on the boat, and then try to jump on the boat when it's starting to leave? Or you can just go in now and without any leverage, buy as much as you can, enjoy the ride, like all the big boys are doing. You decide. I'm giving you that option. It is your choice, not mine. I don't know you. I don't know who is watching this video. But one thing I do know is my audience is extremely intelligent, extremely analytical, and extremely logical thinking. They know exactly what they're doing. Okay? My audience is literally the smartest audience in the entire YouTube scene. And if you don't believe me, leave a comment below. Let everyone else know who you are. What do you think about my idea and my videos? Share with everybody else what is your experience so far. And I'm not censoring anybody. I don't delete your comments if you are not calling out names. As long as a factual discussion, I always keep everybody in check. Let you have your discussion forum right here, right now underneath. All right? Give us your opinion. Let your voice be heard. Let people know that you are out there supporting this community. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.